we will learn these super easy DIY planters. So let's start. I have taken some acrylic colors, brushes, scale pencil, a scissor and a plastic bottle. I have taken out the cover and washed the bottle properly. Now I am making a circle around it. I am using a craft knife. You can use a scissor as well for cutting. Now, using a scale, I will draw a straight line of around 8 cm. After that, I will leave a space of around 1.5 cm and draw another line. From the end point of the lines, I am drawing some slanting lines. Each of them will be of 1.5 cm. Now I am going to cut each line. Watch this step carefully. I am not cutting the whole line. I am leaving a space of 1 cm at the end of the line. You can see I have cut the entire bottle like this. Now I am cutting the slanting lines with the craft knife. After that, you will have to do just this simple step. I am applying some acrylic color on it. Don't forget to apply colors on the inner corners too. You have to be very careful about it. After 2 coats, it will look like this. Now, I am drawing some simple pattern on it. It's almost ready. I have also painted another one with brown acrylic color and making another type of design on it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends so that everybody can see it. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I post any video. If you find out that your lines are not straight enough, you can correct it anytime with the base color. For any queries, please let me know in the comment section. What do you want to see next? You can also share your ideas and suggestions with me. I have made some more like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching.